In coming to an event like this, it's very clear that having a diverse student body, having people tell their own individual stories really helps people see each other. When you can understand what someone's experience is, what they've gone through, even if it's something simple as like poetry or dance or music, it makes you feel a little more connected to them.
So the idea for Black Excellence Week is to provide an opportunity to celebrate diverse cultures in our school, but in a way that involves bringing people together regardless of ethnicities or identities, while sharing maybe some challenging and difficult histories. It's also celebrating achievements and possibilities for the future.
And I think that same idea of community, it takes a village. And so to see all of the different people from around this global and local community contributing in some way or form.
Throughout the year, we've been teaching the themes of identity, inclusion and belonging, but this week was an opportunity for students to make those natural connections back to things that they had learned. And so as a teacher, I think that these really authentic experiences provide those opportunities for students.
Having those visual representation and having those stories told in those classes allow for moments of that, I didn't know that I'm going to go home and tell mom and dad about what I heard from my storytelling today. Those moments are very powerful because next time that child hears something that is different, they are able to be like, that's not true, and challenge it a bit more.
It gives those who are not in their home a home. It gives kids a way to express themselves, and it strengthens ISB in general because it shows that all nations matter.
We are an inspiring international community in Beijing. And so when we do things like this to lift the voices of those who may have been marginalized or just the identities within our school, when we find ways that are creative to express that, we are living in our ISB mission.